is Frog Valley Farm, January 2021. So this is a video on how to build living soil. It's all about the roots in the ground, the cover, the living cover. In Florida, it's year-round. Not about the roots of your plant, but the roots of all the plants. Together, communicating. That's how you build soil. The microorganisms live in the roots of the plants, majority of them. If you remove the plants or mulch them, you kill a lot of those microorganisms. We solely focus on soil health here. Native species make up the majority of our living cover, our living mulch, our cover crop. Single best way to put carbon into the soil is through a living root. We plant seedlings right into this, no problem. Can look real hideous, but if you just continue to build with it, add stuff, when your trees grow up, it starts to look better. Wildlife shows up. We don't remove anything, but this was hanging over our house, so I had to cut those. So I'm letting the trees send nutrients back to the parent tree. And then I'm gonna chop it up and throw it around the property. I used to do wood chips, but wood chips done as mulch snuff out all the living plants other than what you have planted. And it works, but I found that throwing logs or branches seems to work better for me in this system. And if I do have wood chips, I scatter them like I would compost, just randomly. I like wood chips, but I like a living mulch. It's the home for the microorganisms. You can't have as many microorganisms under your mulched cover as you can with a living cover. It's all sand here, so it holds the sand together. If it rains nonstop, it doesn't bother it because it's protected by that 2-foot cover of weeds. Our mangoes bloom and produce fruit every year, even the 3 gallons, 6 months after they're planted, will produce fruit, dry farmed. And they'll continue to produce fruit every year after that. Not all of them, but the majority of them. We're going to get a lot of mangoes this year, so that'll be good. This is the tortoise that moved in here. Go to tortoise.